Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Issa and today I'm doing a rather calm video, if you could tell from the title of this. I don't know how I'm going to title it yet, but this is a video on makeup that you can do whenever you're feeling down, whenever you're feeling maybe you're sick or maybe you're sad. So it's like makeup to lift you up. It's makeup to cheer you up, to lift your mood. I don't know how else to explain it, but yeah, I'm doing that today. Makeup is a really powerful tool to use to lift up your mood. It's just like clothes, or for some people it can be other things, but for me it's makeup, and I know maybe some of you guys have that as well, so I just wanted to do this and share what I like to do when I want to make myself feel less sick or make myself feel a little less sad. I'm a little sad today because my mom and brother came into town and they were here for a week and they left today, so you know, I'm a little like feeling lonely. So if you're feeling down and you feel like you need to lift your mood up with makeup, just keep watching and follow along. Okay, so the approach that I like to take on my face when I'm feeling down is just keeping it clean and keeping it simple. I don't like to go into a lot of products. I don't like going in super glam. I know there are people who love that. If you're going through something or maybe you're sad or sick, you love just piling shit on your face to make yourself feel better, and hey, you do you, but I'm not like that, and I know maybe some people on here aren't as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep a clean approach. We're doing something that's super fresh. I want to make myself look awake and less dull, and that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna start off with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer because I've been really enjoying it lately and it works really well as a primer. It really makes your makeup last for a long time and it feels really nice on my skin. I'm also just going to be priming my eyes a little bit with the Urban Decay Shadow Primer Potion in Eden, just to like prep it while the other primer sinks in. Now for my base, I just want something that's going to even out my skin, but I also want radiance. I want to look awake. I feel like right now I look really dead. So I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in number 4. There goes the sun. And yeah, I'm just going to apply this all over my face as a base, like a foundation, and yeah. And I found that this product really just helps to make my skin look very fresh. It doesn't really cover much, but it makes my skin look super fresh, and obviously a little more tan because this is in 4, it's like medium, but it also really helps bring back the life into my skin. After I'm done with that, I just want a little bit more coverage, so I'm just gonna go in with my RMS Uncover Up Concealer in 22. This is really nice because it's really natural, but it covers my dark circles, which are my problem areas, and when I feel sad or sick or down or whatever, they get like worse for whatever reason. They just enhance themselves to portray the sadness or the sickness in my face, so we're gonna cover those up. After I'm done with that, it already looks a lot better. I already feel so much better, so much more awake. I still have like my little bags because they're obviously not going anywhere, but I feel better, and that's what's important. So I just want to powder because I do want to look radiant and awake, but I also don't want to look greasy or shiny because it's starting to get really, really hot here in New York, and you know, I'm gonna go in with the Ojai Glass Powder. This is new to me and I'm just trying it out. It's kind of lightweight and I just want to, you know, see how it works with my skin, so that's what I'm using today. So moving on, I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer to my skin just to warm it up and make myself look a little healthier, but also to sculpt it a bit. I want to enhance my features. So I'm using my good old Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion today. It's this one right here. I haven't run out of this, no matter how much I use it every day, and that's crazy. Let's add that to the cheekbones and every area that I feel like really needs some bronze. And for my eyes, I'm also gonna add a little bit of the bronzer all over my crease and like kind of messily on the lids. I just want to add a little bit of shadow and definition to the eyes as well, nothing crazy. For my blush, I want to use something new. I also find that when I'm feeling down or, you know, sick, something new really excites me and, you know, lifts up my spirits. So I recently got this NARS Exposed Cheek Palette. I've been wanting it for a long time. It's so beautiful, and I'm just going to be using a little bit of this blush because I want to brighten up my skin and just make it look so flushed, and, you know, want to brighten up my mood as well. So let's do that. Okay, so now that my face is done, I'm gonna move on to my eyes. I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel in Grind, and I'm just gonna run this through my brows really quickly. Again, just add a little bit of structure to my face and to enhance my brows. Finish my eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Snapscara. This is the black one. This is a really good mascara, I really like it. It's kind of natural, but you can build it up, so that's kind of what I want, just to open up my eyes. Just look at the difference that makes. It really just opened up my eyes so much. Immediately, like instantly lifted up my mood. Last but not least, I'm working on my lips. Now for my lips, since the rest is really natural, neutral, just use it to enhance my face. I want to do something a little bolder with my lips. I'm gonna go in with a bold color just to tie in everything together, and obviously bold colors, at least for me, they just boost up my mood. They make me feel powerful and confident, and they make me feel better. I'm not gonna go crazy though, because I don't really want to fuzz with very intense red or, you know, anything like that. Instead, I'm gonna be using another red that's a lot more muted. I'm using the Generation G lipstick in Zip by Glossier. This is really nice, and it's a beautiful red that's kind of like a blotted red, so it is really natural. And after I finish my lips, then the look is complete. Let me just zoom you guys in a little bit, and the sun is back just in time. Hopefully it stays. It is really natural, it looks really clean and fresh, but I feel a lot better. My skin just looks even. You can't really see, but I have the blush and bronzer, and they look really nice as well. The eyes look very fresh and awake, as well as the brows, and obviously I think the lips tie in everything together, and they make me feel so powerful, and like I can do anything now. I feel a lot better, and I am so happy with how the look turned out. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. I know it was different. I know it was a lot more calm than my usual videos. This is exactly what I like to do when I need to just lift up my mood. I just like to pile makeup on my face, make myself look enhanced and feel a lot better, make myself look powerful and awake. So if you're feeling sick or sad or depressed or whatever, I really hope this video helps you out. I really hope you recreate this look, or maybe do a look of your own. Does makeup lift up your mood as well? Please let me know, because I think it's such a fun video. I watched Jamie Page's video when she did something like this, and I really loved it. It really inspired me, and I wanted to create my own to show you guys what I like to do, and hopefully you guys can get inspiration from this and feel better. That's just what I wanted. That's what I wanted this video to be. So thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching through to the end. I really hope you feel better soon. I hope you lift your mood with makeup or with a book or whatever it is that you needed. Maybe this video is exactly what you needed. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.